72% of entrepreneurs are dealing with mental health issues. That's 72% of the people in this room, right? We're entrepreneurs, it's Founders Live. It's a global network of entrepreneurs. We have the highest mental health issues out of any segment of working population. And why? The reality is the benefits landscape that exists today in Canada exists in the US. It's not set up to actually offer support. It's incredibly difficult to navigate. It's difficult for companies to know what to offer, for their employees to know how to use their benefits, and it's even difficult for the counselors that are providing care. This is why Inkblot exists. My name is Vigeant. I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders of Inkblot, and we're fixing mental health, but we're starting in the workplace. We're a Techstars and DMZ-backed startup that when you launch our product, within your team, your people can get connected with the counselor that is best suited to treat them for their issues. Our software learns what counselors are most effective at treating, so you're not just being matched with the person down the street, you're being matched with the person that's most likely able to help you through your issues. There will be over 250,000 Canadians with access to our platform by the end of the summer. We sell leveraging the way that companies currently buy corporate mental health benefits. We're partnered with a Darling of Toronto League, who are reselling our product very successfully right now. And we're partnered with the largest insurance company in Canada, People Corp, who land us some pretty big deals as well. I'm running this company with a doctor and a counselor, and I'm a serial entrepreneur, as I got in the best intro of all time. But the most important part about our company is our team, and that our team has a strong purpose. We have a strong reason for why we need to exist. We're fixing the biggest growing issue in Canada and the world today. We're all founders here. We're building great companies, and if we all give a shit about it, we can fix mental health. So thank you. Yeah, right there.
So you said mental health issues. Which all issues do you cover? And then you said 70% of the crowd. How big is that?
So of this specific crowd, or 72% of entrepreneurs just generally? So that's a good number. I'm one person that's not afraid to say I don't know the base number of which I'm quoting, and I came in with this statistic. So I know 72%, I know that it's a $255 billion issue in Canada and the US, but I don't have the specific number of the entrepreneurial impact on it. If you know about mental health support, there's typically like 3 ways that you can go about it. There's something called an employee assistance program. Does it like Morneau Chappelle, Homewood Health? You have your corporate mental health benefits. So if you open your benefits booklet, you can find a counselor and go speak to them directly. So Morneau Chappelle is typically like short-term episodic for non-severe conditions. So if you're dealing with depression, that's a severe condition that might not be covered under your base plan. So we're actually agnostic to whether you're just working well and need to speak to someone, or you're an alcoholic, or you're dealing with substance abuse issues. We cover the full spectrum, which is incredibly unique for a company that's selling corporate mental health benefits. And we make sure that if we're matching someone that is an alcoholic or substance abuse, that they're matched with the person that's most likely able to provide them help. Yeah, in the back.
Yeah, perhaps the greatest concern about dealing with mental health issues is privacy and information sharing. What measures do you have in place to protect personal information and other health information of your potential clients?
Yeah, so we're lucky. We've got a really good venture investor. So Mars Catalyst Fund is an investor in our company. They care an awful lot about it. My background, I also have a background in clinical trials, where I built privacy systems that would guard those results. So I will not be able to leverage these Google Cloud credits if we get it, because I pay a tremendous amount of money to outsource DevOps to a medically compliant stack. Everything's located here in Toronto. I'm not even allowed to do a PR unless a team at that medically compliant DevOps place like reviews my PR before deploying the code. So my co-founder is a doctor, and he's a residency director at Mac. So we work closely with the team there just to ensure that when we are thinking about data privacy, everything's anonymized, and if our whole database was released, no one can read the sessions notes because we are a full electronic health record system. Yeah, it's a very expensive but worthwhile use of our money today. Yeah.
Like, who would be a target customer? Like, is it big corporates or startups or startup founders?
Everyone here should be a customer. If you have a company, please talk to me. So we have like a package starting at $50 a month. If you're a 5-person company, you can use us and we'll help your employees feel better. So we've got kind of like two packages. So we have a package that helps your employees use your benefits. If you already have great benefits, if you don't have benefits and you just want to buy your employees hours as they need them, will work. So I've got one BDM on small business. And then we, like for example, got the Weather Network last week, and we've got a completely different business unit, pricing it completely different. And then when we just took on Canada's largest union of 55,000 people, and that's also completely different. So 2-person to 55,000 is our spectrum today.
So servicing is all in-app, right? The
Yeah,
only servicing
yeah.
is in-app.
Yeah,
No
like-
offline appointments. It's
N-
it's not a lead generation to like mental health clinics. It's
No, not at all.
In-app service.
And like I glazed over it, but all of our counselors run our software to manage their practice, and we're monitoring outcomes. And it's not like an NPS score, thumbs up, thumbs down. My co-founder, my doctor co-founder, like we're doing medically validated outcomes. So we're the full system for the counselors, the full system for the people. We connect them, we do the payments, the scheduling, everything, and the counseling itself, all on our platform. Yeah.
So how do you compete if, like Maple, for example, starts to venture into this space?
They are in the space, like absolutely. So Maple's product is really good. So our approach to mental health, if anyone here has spoken to a counselor, it's a long-standing relationship. And that's our go-to-market strategy is we want our counseling to work the way that counseling works. It's a long-term relationship between you and a counselor that ebbs and flows throughout your mental health journey. Maple's product's really useful, but it works like their broken bones product. If you have a broken bone, you get connected with a doctor immediately, they triage you, you work through your stuff, and then you may be able to schedule a session with them later, you might not. Their de-escalation of immediate issues, we're long-term relationship. We do de-escalation of immediate issues, but we're about that long-standing relationship after, not about just fixing the broken bone. But their product's good.
Fine.